Hello friends, today I am going to make Rasmalai. Diwali is here and the celebration is incomplete without sweets. Rasmalai is an all-time favorite and one of the best sweets that you can prepare during festivals. With this recipe you can make perfect soft and juicy Rasmalai at home. So let's start making this mouth-watering delight. For Rasmalai, we need Chenna or paneer, so we'll start with boiling the milk to make Chenna. I'm boiling 1 liter of full cream milk in a thick bottom pan. Keep stirring it so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the milk has boiled, switch off the flame and add lemon juice little at a time. Keep stirring it until the milk has curdled completely. Add a glass of cold water to lower the temperature so that the chenna does not get harder. Drain the chenna on a muslin cloth. The whey is very healthy. It can be used for making gravy or kneading dough, or it can also be used to make chenna again. Pour a glass of cold water to remove excess of lemon flavor. Now squeeze off excess whey and hang it for around 45 to 60 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the rabri or malai. You can start it at the same time when you boil milk for making chenna. Here I am boiling 1 liter full cream milk in a thick bottom pan. As the milk starts boiling, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and few strands of saffron which I have already soaked in 1 tablespoon of milk. Now we have to boil it until milk thickens and reduces to half of its original volume. I scrape off the creamy layer that is formed on the top and mix it with the milk. It gives a nice texture to the malai or rabri. The milk has thickened to our desired consistency. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar and slice pistachios, cashews and almonds. You can adjust the sweetness as per your taste. Mix them well and now switch off the flame. And now we will check the chenna. The whey has completely drained off. Now transfer it on a plate. The chenna is moist and it is now granulated. We have to knead it until it becomes smooth and non-grainy. It should not be sticky, so when you rub it on the plate, it should come out easily. Knead it with the tip of your fingers or palm until it is smooth and non-granulated. This took around 10 to 15 minutes. The time depends on the softness of chenna. Cut the dough into equal parts and flatten them to round disc by slightly pressing between your palms. If there are any cracks on the edges, then just roll it gently. The chenna discs are ready. Now let's make the sugar syrup to boil them. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. Stir it until sugar dissolves and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, add the disc gently one at a time. The sugar syrup should be boiling like this when you add the chenna disc. Cover and let it boil for 15 minutes on medium flame. Adjust the flame so that it keeps bubbling. After 15 minutes, the chenna discs have become fluffy. Switch off the gas and cover it for another 10 minutes. So now our malai is ready and it is little warm. Let's take off the chenna disc and squeeze them gently to remove excess sugar syrup and dip them into the malai. Now keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that the chenna disc absorbs the malai. Rasmalai is ready. Garnish it with sliced pistachios, almonds and saffron. Make this delicious Rasmalai for your loved ones. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Please try it out and let me know your comments. If you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe.